Hey guys, it's Shelby, otherwise known as Shelbizleee here on YouTube. Today I wanted to share something with you that I recently did because I work from home, as a lot of you guys know, but Madison also a lot of the times works from home too. And I'm a very introverted person, so whenever she stays home from work for a couple days and I'm home all day and we spend like 4 days in total like this next to each other, it becomes a little too much for me. And I have missed having a bathtub in my house for almost 3 years that we've lived here. I don't have a bathtub here, and that used to be something that I did like once, maybe twice a month. I took a bath just to like chill out. Like that was my chill out thing back when I had a bathtub, and I was really missing it, and I really wanted to get some alone time, and I also really wanted to do some really cool shots for this project I'm working on. So I decided to rent an Airbnb with a bathtub so that I could have a spa night to myself. And I wanted to partner with Earth Hero on this video because a lot of the things that I've been trying out, testing out, I got from them, and I really wanted to do this video to prove to people that whenever you do live a more eco-friendly lifestyle or a vegan and cruelty-free lifestyle, you can still have all of the luxuries that come before you have those things. So all the products we're going to be using today are from Earth Hero. You can use my 15% off code to get 15% off of anything we're going to talk about or anything on their site. And I haven't worked with Earth Hero in I guess a couple months actually. Things have just been so busy, but if you have never heard me talk about them before, they're basically your one-stop shop for sustainability on the interwebs. If you're ever looking for something and you want it in a sustainable version, check Earth Hero first, because most likely they're gonna have it. All things from things for your pet to clothing items to beauty items like we're gonna talk about today, zero waste swaps, whatever it is, Earth Hero has probably got it for you. It is online shopping, so all of the shipping that they do is certified carbon neutral. They eliminate all of their carbon emissions. They also usually package zero waste. Sometimes they reuse plastic that they get from other shipments that they get in, and one time I even got a box from them that had a message on it that said it was reused when it was sent to me and encouraged me to also reuse it. So they're an awesome company who practices everything that they preach, and they have a very extensive 5-step process to ensure that all the items in their shop are actually sustainable and not just greenwashing. They are an awesome company. I love working with them. I love shouting them out because if you are looking for anything in the sustainability space, chances are they have exactly what you're looking for, and they have the most sustainable version of it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this cozy little spa night I had to myself because I'm an introverted person who just likes to do things on my own and who particularly is so excited to be buying a house soon to have a bathtub. Roll it. Like I said, I am so excited to have a bath, so that is the first thing I wanted to do. I've really been wanting to test out this bath salt from Bestowed Essentials. I actually bought some of these for my friends for Christmas, or my family for Christmas, and I haven't tested it out yet because I don't have a bathtub. So this is by a company, like I said, Bestowed Essentials. That bag right there that looks like plastic is actually certified compostable, and all of her items are cruelty-free and vegan. This one has bath salt in it, a bunch of essential oils, and then a little flower petals mixed in there as well. And it was so glorious just to sit in some warm water with that bath soak. So if you're in the market for something like this, highly recommend it after testing it out if you're looking for a bath salt or an alternative, a more sustainable alternative to a bath bomb. After my glorious bath time, I stepped out of the bathtub and put on my comfy clothes. I put on my black shorts and then this cute little like jacket thing I got secondhand. It's not long sleeve, but it's also not short sleeve, but it has a hood. I don't know what you call it, but it's my favorite thing. And then the next step in the spa night for me was making a face mask. So this one is also by a company called Bestowed Essentials. You might have heard me mention her once before, but the woman who owns the brand's name is Callie. She lives in a Sprinter van powered by solar panels, and that is where she makes her products, and then she sells them through Earth Hero. And also I want to point out that there is clay in this mask, and last time I talked about masks, you guys told me not to mix them with a metal spoon. So warning to anybody else who wants to purchase this or pick up a clay mask, use a wooden spoon or just your finger. Apparently it does something to the clay that makes it less effective. But I went ahead and put on that face mask, and my skin reacted pretty strongly to it. I think the different clays in there were really like pulling stuff out of my skin. So I left the mask on for about 10 minutes while I also did a couple other things. So one of the things I did was kind of like a foot mask, if you will. I basically used coconut oil on my feet to moisturize them, and then I used these socks to lock it in there. So this is coconut oil by All Good. They also make a zero waste sunscreen. You might have heard me talk about that before, but this is a coconut oil that is specifically made for skin. It's definitely not made for cooking because it has lavender in it. So it's a really soothing thing whenever you're putting it on your body. You know, lavender is supposed to be soothing and calming. I thought it was the perfect fit for this spa night. And then, like I said, I'm going to lock all that in with my socks. Now, these socks are by a really cool company. I've been wearing socks by this brand for years and years and years, ever since I found them in San Francisco at like a little shop. And now they're being sold in Earth Hero, which is so exciting. They are made from recycled cotton, and they're called Soulmate socks. So if you guys want to pick up some funky mismatched socks that are super cute, cozy, and very warm, definitely pick them up from Earth Hero with the discount code. All of the things I'm talking about today have been well vetted by me, so you may have heard me talk about this brand before. It is Sonari Candle, and they only scent their candles with essential oils, and they're made with coconut wax. So no paraffin wax, no toxins. This is the most sustainable candle company I've ever seen, and you can use that as a wine glass when you're done. Or you could pick up an insulated wine glass, which is what I was using this night. This one is insulated, so it keeps your wine really cool, and it's also just really stylish. After the 10 minutes I mentioned earlier, I took off my face mask, and it was great to get that off because, like I said, it was pulling stuff out of my face. I could feel it. And then after my face mask was off, I felt like I needed to rejuvenate with a face oil. It's by a company called Badger. If you guys have not checked them out, please do. They are a small company with great ethics. They also make a shampoo bar. People ask me all the time about alternative shampoo bars other than Lush. Badger has one you should really, really, really check out. And that was about it for my chill spa night. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, none of these videos are intended to be like, you need this, you need that. But I think it's really important to point out that even people who are living these very strict lifestyles of cruelty-free and zero waste can have nights to themselves that are relaxing and still enjoyable. I want to be an advocate for that. I think self-care is important. I think knowing yourself and learning yourself and loving yourself is important, and not to get too hippie on you, but I just was so happy after doing this for myself and was able to re-energize myself for the week, and honestly for the rest of the month. I felt so much better after doing this. So definitely make sure you check out Earth Hero in the description. Like I said, I have a code with them to get you 15% off anything on their site, so make sure you take advantage of that, and I'll see you guys later. Remember, until next time, you cannot do all the good that the world needs, but the world needs all the good that you can do. Bye guys.